everyone, and welcome to the 401 with 404's video series on the engineering section of the Engineering Notebook. For this video, we're going to be focusing solely on the engineering section, which contains all the technical aspects of an engineering notebook. Within the engineering section, teams tell the story of how their robot evolved from a design concept to a functioning machine that can perform various challenging tasks. Keep in mind, the judges will want to see every success and failure that made your team's robot what it is today. A model notebook documents the engineering design process through all the design phases. Now let's discuss some of the subsections that would be included in the engineering section of your engineering notebook. First off, the engineering log. This is the only required subsection of the engineering notebook. The level of detail you put into your engineering log is up to your team, but remember that the more detail you have, the more competitive you will be for the Think and Inspire awards. Begin by documenting the concept development and proposals. After you have strategized and you begin to brainstorm design concepts, make sure you document your development and thought process. Take pictures, write down ideas, and share drawings in the notebook. Be sure to include any emails, shared documents, or if you produce one, a written proposal of your robot design. If you have multiple ideas and proposals, you can present the pros and cons of each and explain the decision behind your final choice. When you begin to create prototypes, document them with photographs and discuss what worked and failed with each version. Be sure to include all calculations. We typically do the calculations on paper or a whiteboard, and then photograph them to include them in the log, as shown here. It is also helpful to put screenshots of your CAD to show developments throughout the course of the season. Within the engineering log, it is critical to document when and why a design did not work, and why your team needed to redesign a part of the robot. Include how the team went about resolving the issue, and what you learned throughout that process. The following subsections are not required, but highly recommended as they make your team more competitive for awards and allow you to keep track of your progress. The next subsection we'll go over is the strategic analysis. Every year, FIRST hosts a worldwide game reveal, where teams from around the world get to tune in and see what the next season's game challenge is going to be. From the moment your team starts brainstorming on how to best meet the game challenge, you need to start documenting your strategy discussion. Whether it is on a whiteboard or on the back of a napkin, make sure to take a picture and document all your thoughts and strategy. It is important for your team to document all your ideas, as they will show your robot's development and give your team direction for what you want to accomplish. Be sure to identify and prioritize the most valuable tasks of the challenge. Periodically throughout the season, have a discussion with your team about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of your robot. This is called a SWOT analysis. It is important to document these discussions with a simple 4-quadrant grid so that they are easy to track and review, as seen here. The goal of your engineering notebook is for a judge to be able to rebuild your robot based on the work documented within it. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and CAD drawings succinctly communicate the robot's design. So, you should definitely consider modeling your robot in CAD if you aren't already. In the CAD subsection, include engineering drawings that show your robot's final design, and also include important components that you want to highlight. You could also include a schematic showing the power and control systems for your robot. In the software subsection, you will want to include documentation for the controller board and program prints. As for program prints, you could include all of your programs or simply a best of list that you want the judges to see. For a reference subsection, you could see it as a catch-all for important information, such as technical spec sheets that wouldn't quite fit anywhere else. To help you create an awesome engineering section, we have made templates providing an outline for all the information you need to include in each subsection we have discussed. These templates are all linked below, and they are also available on www.era404robotics.com in the 401 with 404 Education Portal tab. Thank you so much for watching this video on the engineering section of the notebook. We hope this video was useful and we wish your team the best of luck.